Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix Steam PS5 controller showing Xbox buttons. So, alright, you can simply go ahead and go to the settings right here. If you don't know how to do that, you're just basically going to want to open Steam app. Alright, then once the app opens, go ahead and over your mouse onto the top left and click on Steam right here. Then go to settings, and after that simply hover over your mouse onto the controller right here, then try to set PlayStation control support to not enabled. Alright, once done, run the game again and see if that helps. If that won't help, let's go revert it back. Alright, so what you're going to do here is go back to this particular settings page. Then what you're going to do here is go ahead and make sure that enable Steam input for Xbox controllers is turned off. You can do this as well by going to the game that needs controller. For example, we can try CS2 right here, properties controller, and click on this drop down right here and make sure that you set this to disable Steam input. So once done, click on escape exit Steam right here, click on that and run Steam again, play the game, and it should be working fine. And that's it. Thank you guys for watching this video. If this video was helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel.